Tycoon family, what's up? Events. Today we're gonna talk about the monks. All right, because they came through the capital today, Columbia, South Carolina. They on their way to Charlotte. The monks, Tycoon family, the monks. All right. So let's get into this article. Event details released for the Colombian as the Buddhist monks on walk for peace arrive in the South Carolina capital. Interesting. All right, as protests erupt, respond to a fatal shooting of a Minneapolis woman by a federal immigration agent. About 20 Buddhist monks and their rescue dog, cannot pronounce the dog's name, I think it's Alauke, are walking towards Columbia to promote peace and unity. But I think they've been walking before that even happened. But all right, let's continue to get to this. The monks' walk for peace has captivated the nation. I'm nervous. But captivated the nation since its beginning on October 26th in Texas. So they left from Texas and came to Columbia. But I think they're going to D.C., where they embarked on a 2,300-mile journey to the nation capital. And the nation capital is in D.C. The monks crossed into South Carolina on January 6th and spent Thursday, January 8th, walking from Saluda to Leesville. Those are towns in South Carolina, if y'all don't know. You feel me? In Saluda, thousands of people gathered along the highway to greet the monks and the dog. Again, I do not know how to say the dog name. The dog got a weird ratchet name, something like Eloke. I think I'm saying it right. Eloke. People passed out flowers, kneeled on the ground and greeting and asked for hugs and hosted signs promoting messages of love and peace. The crowd was calm and excited as the monks were escorted through the rural South Carolina town by law enforcement and officials. Pretty cool. Okay, so you may ask yourself, what are the monks doing out there little temple shit? I think it's called monastery. Don't quote me. So let's figure out, what does it mean when the monks come out their monastery? Let's ask Chat GPT. So hold up, we about to ask Chat GPT this time.
Hello, Shemmy.
Yo, blood clot, you know my name. Where you get my name from? Huh? Blood clot, you know my name. What you talking about?
So these monks are on a...
What? Well, you know about blood clot monks? Huh? Let me tell you about some monks. Let me not tell you nothing about no monks. Let me ask the blood clot question. You see me there? Let me ask the question first before you shut off your mouth, okay?
So
ease yourself. So look at, what does it mean when the monks come out of the temple? What does it mean? Because don't they never come out of the temple or the monastery?
Actually, these Buddhist monks are currently on quite a unique journey outside their monastery. They've started what's called the Walk for Peace, which is a long trek promoting peace and unity. So for this event, yep, they've definitely stepped outside the monastery and are traveling from town to town.
All right. So what does it mean when they come out their monastery? You tell me, what does it mean?
Basically, it means they're stepping out of their usual super quiet monastery life and literally hitting the road. In this case, the monks are out there walking from town to town doing this walk for peace. It's not just a metaphor, they're actually out in the world meeting people.
So what is the purpose of this besides peace? Is something about to happen?
They're pretty much just all about that peaceful vibe. In fact, they're on this trek, a huge 2,300-mile walk, to spread a message of unity and compassion. There's not some major event they're reacting to beyond just wanting to inspire people to be more mindful and compassionate.
So,
and yeah, folks are definitely lining up to see them to share that moment of peace.
so it is no connection of like something bad happening and the monks leaving the monastery. So there's no connection.
Yeah, you got it. There's really no hidden agenda. They're just out here to spread a message of peace and unity. So yeah, you're.
All right. Thank
So
you.
it's
I appreciate it. Appreciate it. 'Cause I thought something bad was about to happen. You hear me? I thought somebody about to get kidnapped. Why President Trump think he could kidnap the man from Venezuela? What do the man now? What do the man? The mad? The idiot boy? What do him?
So here's the quick scoop. The monks started their journey in Texas.
I'm not talking about no black cop monks no more. You hear me? I'm not talking about no more. I'm talking about why the President Trump kidnapped the man from Venezuela. Why? Why he did that?
Well, let's unpack this a bit. Right now, the topic on the page is really just about these monks doing their walk for peace.
Idiot girl. Yo, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
You're looking at the page about a monk's walk
Yeah,
for
hey,
peace in Colombia.
right.
And the main
So,
highlight is...
Guys, hope you